If you want to check battery temperature on Nothing Phone 3, then in that case we need to use an app that allows us to check this kind of information. So for example, if we go to the Play Store, we can go to search and we can find multiple different apps that provide some additional information about our device that is usually hidden. So in my case, I'm gonna write dev info. This is an app that I have been using for quite a bit of time, and it provides various different information about the device, including the battery temperature. So once we install it, we can just open it, press agree and start. Wait a couple of seconds. Over here, we're gonna press consent. And after that, of course, you might see an ad in the meantime. You can also grant a notification permission, however, it is not necessary to do so. And over here, we can switch to, let's see, battery. And over here, we can find the temperature. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.